Welcome to Phoenix Law and Associates. How can we help?
I'm helping Ms. Jones with her will and enduring power of attorney.
I'm helping Katie with her first home purchase.
I'm helping Bella finalise her divorce.
I'm helping my clients in a corporate dispute.
I'm helping our lawyers with upcoming court cases.
I'm helping Mr. Tanaka organising his visa.
I'm helping Mr. and Mrs. Gihara setting up their first business venture in Australia.
Thanks for calling.
I'm helping my clients with a compensation claim.
I'm helping the Lee family enrolling their children in school.